Okay, we are at page 28, which is the very last chapter of your book. It's called Music Analysis. Okay, first question. Name the key signature. The place we find the key signature is at the very beginning of your music. So if you have only one F sharp, we learned that already at the key signature chapter. One F sharp is G major. So among those two answers, you're going to pick G major, okay? No time signature is given. So the place you find time signature is actually right here, but then right now is empty, question mark. Okay, so time signature, you will have the choice of 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Three choices, okay? What should it be? So in order to tell it is you look at your first measure from here to here should have how many beats. So at the treble clef you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarter notes is 4 beats. If you look at your bass clef, 1 beat, and this is 2 beats. Okay, total 4 beats. If you look at your second measure, 2 beats is add up to 4. 1 beat, and 2 beats add up to 4 as well. So you will say this measure has 4 beats. So you either take your treble clef or you take your bass clef, but you don't take both. You don't say that you have 8 beats here. You only have 4 beats. Okay? So if each measure is a 4 beats, then you should pick 4/4. Okay? How would the notes in measure 1 be played? Those are the dot here. 4 dot. Staccato, not the legato. Name the circle interval in measure 3. So this is your measure 3. This is your measure 4. This is your measure 7. So measure 3, there's a circle and there's an interval. So remember the interval. You count from your lowest. So that one is A. And to your highest, that one is D. But you need to start from A. So you go A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, interval 4. Okay. What's a 5-finger pattern is formed in measure 7 and 8. This is the hard one, okay? So this is measure 7. This is measure 8. There's a box here. If you count, you have 5 notes inside. Okay? When you have 5 notes or when you have 3 notes or whatever notes you have, your most important notes is always the lowest one, which is right here, and that one is G. So if both of your choice is not the same, then it's easy because your lowest note is G, then you pick G. But sometimes they give you the same choices. For example, maybe this choice is G minor, then that choice is G major, right? If both G, but then different major and minor, then you need to be more careful. You need to count from your lowest note to your middle note. Okay, remember the 5-finger pattern we learned before? If after you count on the paper piano is a 4 half step, then you pick major. If it is 3 half step, then you pick minor. But you have a very easy case right here because you only have one choice of G. Your most important note is G. Okay, what kind of rest is in measure 7? Measure 7 is here, and there's a rest right here. There's a half rest. Where's the curved line in measure 3 and 4? Call. There's a curved line here. Okay, is that slur or is that tie? Sorry, cannot see this one. Is that slur or is that tie? It is a slur. Okay, what are the last 4 notes in measure 3 called? Measure 3 is here. The last 4 notes is here. So go from the back, the last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What they call? Are they, you have 2 choices again, quarter notes, or are they 8th notes? It looks like they are 8th note. Then you are all done with this page. Thank you.